Hello, 8th graders. This is week 6, I believe. We are almost done. We only have 2 more weeks this week and then next week, and we are done for the summer. Yay! Alright, remember I have Zoom meetings 1:30 to 2 every Tuesday and Thursday. So if I scroll down here on my class schedule, what you are due to do for May 4th through May 8th is review any of the Chapter 9 videos. So I put this here even though they're all still on this page. And then you are to do the Chapter 9 review Big Ideas and a Chapter 9 review Canvas activity, okay? So that is what I expect of you this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email, let me know. Have a great week, and I look forward to hearing from you. Oh, also, if you want to start the next week, May 11th or May 14th week, you can start on the self-reflection. That will be due that Tuesday of the following week. So these are all due Monday, May 11th, and then this will be due Tuesday, May 12th. So go ahead and get this done too while you're at it. It's not too long. It's just what we did for our parent-teacher conferences. All right, well, have a great day. Can't wait to hear from you guys soon.